The gadget will be the successor to the iPhone SE. New renderings of the budget news from Apple, iPhone SE2 phone, posted on the internet. Outwardly, it will resemble the iPhone 8. It was previously said that the iPhone SE2 will be made in the style of the iPhone 8, and in the market it will cost about $400. It is worth noting that Apple has not officially confirmed the authenticity of these renders, so these phone images are made only on the basis of rumors. Of the possible methods, there is iPhone SE2 and iPhone 9. The expected battery capacity by current standards for our time will be invisible, only 2000 mAh. An improved smartphone of an affordable category will be released with 64 and 128 GB of internal memory. There is one camera on the rear panel, a flash is located nearby. The gadget will be equipped with a lightning connector. In addition to standard colors, the lineup will feature yellow and red mobile phones. According to some reports, the iPhone SE2 will cost approximately $399, which is a very modest price tag for Apple. According to preliminary information, the premiere of the phone is expected by early spring of this year. According to the portal, iPhone SE2 will be a mid-range gadget, but with improved performance compared to other devices in this sector. However, according to experts, the March apparatus in fact will not be an evolution of the iPhone SE, but rather the latest version of the G8. The new device is designed for a price category of up to $400. At least this is what insiders report, although there is no reliable data on this phone yet. It has not yet been announced under what designation the new smartphone will be released. Among other things, a 3D camera may appear in the flagships of 2016, and in addition, support for 5G technology.